When considering a trading platform, it's essential to evaluate which one best suits your needs and investment style. Two popular platforms are Etoro and Moomoo, both of which offer various investment options. Moomoo's main feature is options trading, but it also provides stocks, ETFs, fractional shares, and cash sweep. Users can choose to paper trade, a feature also available on Etoro. Moomoo is well suited for those who want to trade options or stocks. Particularly advanced traders or beginners looking to learn and recognize patterns, often engaging in short-term or swing trading. On the other hand, Etoro is more geared towards long-term traders who plan to hold positions for months or years. Etoro also offers copy trading, allowing users to replicate the trades of other successful users, and provides a broader range of investment options, including crypto, stocks, commodities, and currencies. However, it does not offer options trading. The choice between these platforms ultimately depends on your trading style and goals. If you're an advanced trader or aspire to be one, focusing on day trading with options or stocks, Moomoo might be the better choice. For those interested in long-term trading or copy trading, Etoro is a more suitable option. Geographical availability is another important factor to consider. Etoro is supported in a wide range of countries, while Moomoo is currently available in the USA, Canada, Singapore, Malaysia, Australia, and Japan. If you're from one of these countries, you can use Moomoo, but it's always best to check their website for the most up-to-date information on availability. By considering these factors, you can make an informed decision about which platform is best for you and your investment needs.